NEXON rapidly acquired new payers for their mobile game launch with Bango Audiences. A strong launch sets your app on a path to success. Here's how NEXON made sure their app launch was a great one. When launching Counterside, a 2D strategic RPG, NEXON wanted to establish a paying user base as quickly as possible. NEXON used a Bango audience to target their Facebook ads to payers in similar RPG apps based in Korea. Bango processed payments for billions of dollars of in-app purchases through the major app stores. By analyzing this information, Bango builds audiences that can match your Facebook campaigns to the right users, the people who can and do pay in similar apps. Based on purchase behavior, filters like app category, high spenders, country, and more. Compared to the campaigns NEXON targeted using Facebook's interest for the RPG subcategory, this 4-week campaign targeted with a Bango audience achieved 3.9 times higher return on ad spend, 3.6 times higher lifetime value, 2.8 times higher conversion rate, 25% lower cost per install. NEXON have consistently been using Bango audiences since launching Counterside to target their campaigns. NEXON have increased ROAS and decreased CPI by targeting our campaigns with Bango audiences, said NEXON. Use a Bango audience in your next campaign to focus your ads to payers in similar apps and get to revenue faster. Visit bango.ai